Hello, Nicole's 42 subscribers. Welcome back to her channel. We're still looking for a name for Nicole's channel, and if you want to comment below, we'd love to hear your ideas. I'm Bridget. I'm typically the person behind the camera controls. Today, I've come out for a special Stitch Fix review with my friend, Bridget.
Nice to be here, Bridget. I've been working in the disability field for over 20 years, and I recently published a book titled A String of Paper Suns, in which disability is a prominent theme, but also other themes are poverty, education, my journey as a teen single mom, and currently I'm also a master's student studying public affairs at the University of Minnesota.
So a lot on your plate.
I'm having a good time though.
Awesome.
I need some clothes though.
Yes. So tell us, when you were filling out that style profile, what did you indicate to Stitch Fix?
I am looking more for business clothes and everyday. I struggle with finding clothes that really fit my body type, and I sometimes just don't feel like I shop very well.
Was there anything in particular that you asked your stylist for?
I want those Rebel Wilson jeans.
Yes, you do.
Because they were highly recommended by Bridget.
They do so much for the booty. Oh my goodness.
Wow, this is pretty. Black with beige polka dots.
Mm-hmm. Little tab sleeve.
That's very cute. I could see myself wearing that.
Yeah.
Lots of colors. I love flowers. I take pictures of flowers when I go on walks.
Oh, it's like a little robe, like a cardigan robe.
Would you call that a cardimomo?
A cardimono. A cardimono. This is typically called a kimono in the fashion world, but we are not Asian. We're white girls.
Yeah.
And we don't culturally appropriate.
Lightweight.
Oh, I actually liked this just the other day. Look at the little elbow patches.
And they're soft.
Oh, so soft.
What do we have here? Some dress pants.
Oh yeah.
It's like a dark purple with black detailing.
Did they send you Rebels?
Democracy.
Damn it.
Cute cut though.
It is a cute cut, and it's got the booty lift technology.
Oh, there we go.
A little bit of stretch in there. Oh, these are going to be fun to put on. First up is the Emery Park Kaylee Open. The K word.
I like things that are more loose fitting. I could pair this with so many different tops that I have.
The hemlines on it are really nice. It's got this little scalloped here. I mean, there's just, you look at it and it's just a piece of interest. It's so cute. Okay, and then the jean is the Parisa Skinny Jean by Democracy. Just a little bit of distressing at the upper thigh and then right across the middle there. What was the first thing you did when you put those jeans on?
I just started dancing.
Right? Turn around and show us that booty lift. And that's how you know when you found a good fit. You're just like, your curves are being hugged and you're just like, I feel sexy, thank you. We're back with the second shirt. This is called the Aubrey Striped Elbow Patch, and it's in white with that gorgeous caramely color, and that's like a faux suede.
This is pretty. I love stripes. It's like a little preppy, but it's casual. I like the lightweight material, and also not like claustrophobic.
Yeah, it's nice and loose neckline. Yeah, that is
But it doesn't feel like overly baggy either. It's like perfect.
We're back, and Bridget is wearing the last two items out of her first box. We've got the Carrie Split Neck Blouse by 41 Hawthorne. I like all the little detail that's in this shirt. So besides the tab sleeve, there's this cute little...
This down the middle right here.
Yeah, that's really cute. Then if you turn around...
Oh yeah, that's right.
You've got...
The darted pleats.
Yeah, there's little darted pleats that go through here, and so it kind of like opens it up and makes it a little bit more flowy, so it's not so super tight to the body. Imagine if that was button closure.
Yeah.
All of the ladies with the bigger girls would be sending it back, because when you put a button on a shirt when someone has a bigger breast size, buttons and the gaps.
Exactly.
And so this is a really smart shirt too.
You don't have to feel like you're going to have a wardrobe malfunction.
Right, because that is a reality too. Let's talk about the pants. This is by Tribal, a Mora printed straight trouser in a burgundy.
I do like this. It fits perfectly just like the jeans.
Okay.
And there's no button or zipper or anything like that. They're just elastic waist.
A lot of stretch in them too.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Like stretchy without looking like they're stretchy.
Right, right. No one's gonna say you're wearing jeggings to work. Market and Spruce, Aubrey striped elbow patch. How much do you think this shirt is?
Maybe 45.
Okay, so this shirt is 58. Is this item a bag it or untag it?
Untag it.
Woohoo! What do you think this one's going for?
I'm just gonna guess 45 on everything.
Well, this one's 34.
Untag it.
Untag it, all right. How much do you think this is worth?
Maybe 60.
Okay, 58. Bag it or untag it?
I'm gonna untag this.
Oh! 3 out of 5 on your first
They're just
bag.
untag.
What do you think these run?
70.
Okay, well these are 58. Bag it or untag it on those?
I'm gonna keep these too.
What? All right.
I need a good pair of dress pants. Last but not least,
The Booty Assist Technology Democracy Parisa Skinny Jean. That's how much would you pay for these?
80.
Wow, these are 68.
Untag.
Oh my goodness, we have our first 5 for 5 on this show. That's incredible. Well, Bridget, this is exciting.
Very exciting.
Your first
I'm so
thoughts?
happy I did this.
Abby, they did a great job.
They're beautiful clothes.
Yeah.
I will wear them. I will
Awesome.
wear them a lot. And
Awesome.
it's really kind of amazing that every single thing worked.
On the first try.
Yeah.
We are firing Wes, okay? Because I am on box number 6. I've kept 2 pairs of jeans, 1 shirt, and a booty because, of course, I kept the shoe. It's a gorgeous suede caramel color. Anyway.